Hey there, welcome back to Rec Trends channel. Today we've got some electrifying news straight from the recently concluded Polestar Day in Los Angeles. If you're a fan of cutting-edge electric vehicles, you're in for a treat. Stick around as we dive into the exciting world of Polestar's latest unveiling, the Polestar 5. The inaugural Polestar Day in Los Angeles marked a historic moment as it brought together the entire Polestar lineup for the first time. Attendees had the incredible opportunity to experience the 2024 Polestar 2 firsthand, and even ride shotgun in the prototypes of the Polestar 3 and Polestar 4, driven by the company's engineers and experts. But what caught our eye was the uncovered beauty of the Polestar 5, stealing the spotlight without a trace of camouflage. This unveiling has been a long time coming, with the Precept concept giving us a glimpse of this Porsche Taycan rival back in February 2020. After nearly 4 years of anticipation, Polestar has finally revealed the Polestar 5 sans camouflage. However, the wait isn't over just yet, as this sleek electric liftback won't hit the market until 2025. Marketed as a GT, the 5-door electric liftback boasts a design that breaks the norm: no rear window. But fear not, as advanced rear-view cameras will ensure a seamless driving experience. The coupe-like roofline and practical tailgate set it apart from competitors like the Taycan and Audi e-tron GT. The Polestar 5 has undergone some changes from its concept, ditching the ultra-slim side cameras and suicide doors, gaining a B-pillar, and sporting smaller wheels. Manufactured in China, this not a Volvo EV is set to leverage StoreDot's extreme fast charging, XFC technology. The promise? Juicing up the battery for 100 miles, 160 kilometers of range in just 5 minutes, all without compromising battery life. While prototypes will undergo testing with this groundbreaking tech in 2024, we're eager to see if it'll be available for production vehicles right from the start. So, there you have it, the Polestar 5, a game-changer in the world of electric vehicles. What are your thoughts on Polestar's latest creation? Drop your comments below, and let's spark up a conversation. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Until next time, stay charged.